Welcome to the fascinating world of woodworking technology. Today, we are taking a closer look at the wood lathe machine, one of the most important and versatile machines used in woodworking industries around the world. A wood lathe machine is a specialized tool designed to rotate a piece of wood at high speed, while cutting tools are used to shape and carve it into various forms. This process is known as wood turning and is widely used to create both decorative and functional wooden products. The operation begins by securely mounting a wooden workpiece between the headstock and tailstock of the machine. Once the lathe is switched on, the wood starts spinning rapidly. A skilled operator then uses cutting tools such as chisels and gouges to carefully remove material and create the desired shape. Wood lathe machines are commonly used to produce table legs, chair legs, stair balusters, wooden bowls, vases, candle holders, tool handles, and many other decorative items. The machine allows craftsmen and manufacturers to transform simple pieces of timber into beautiful finished products with smooth surfaces and precise dimensions. One of the biggest advantages of a wood lathe machine is accuracy. Because the wood rotates evenly, it becomes easier to create perfectly symmetrical shapes and consistent designs. This level of precision is difficult to achieve using traditional hand tools alone. Another major benefit is efficiency. A wood lathe machine can complete shaping and turning operations much faster than manual methods. This helps increase productivity while maintaining high-quality results. Whether producing a single custom piece or large quantities of identical products, the machine delivers excellent performance. Modern wood lathe machines often include advanced features such as variable speed controls, digital displays, automatic feed systems, and enhanced safety mechanisms. These features allow operators to work more comfortably and achieve even greater precision. Safety is also an important consideration in wood turning. Operators typically wear safety glasses, face shields, and dust masks while working.